Today we are gonna unbox this KODAK ULTRA F9 film camera. This kind of point and shoot film cameras are quite popular recently. Young people, especially the Generation Z, want to try it out in photography. They will love to buy this kind of cameras. It's also a good gift idea because it's fun and inexpensive. This KODAK ULTRA F9 is obviously more premium than others. We got the camera, a strap, and a QR code that you can scan to see the user manual. First of all, we need to put battery into the camera. You don't have to use battery to take photos. Battery is to power the flash. Now we should put film inside the camera. Please make sure the film leader can fit into the slot. And then we close the back door. We wind the film twice. And we can see the exposure counter starting from 1. That means we are ready to shoot the first photo. I have to remind those of you who have never used a film camera, after you put the film inside the camera, please do not open the back door before the film is completely finished. Otherwise, you would ruin the photos you have taken. Now we have finished the whole roll of film. We should unload it from the camera. What we need to do is to press this button at the bottom of the camera and turn this film rewinder clockwise until you hear a click sound. That means the film is completely winded back into the canister. Now you can open the back door to take the canister out. The camera got a 31mm f9 lens and the shutter speed is fixed 1/120th second. There's no light meter and auto exposure. I will recommend you to use ISO 400 film and always take photos in bright sunny days. If you want to take photos indoors, please turn on the flash, otherwise the photos are gonna be underexposed. In conclusion, this is a good looking camera, but to be honest, it's no better than other point and shoot cameras. They are pretty much the same. Whether or not you can take a good photo largely depends on your skill, your creativity, and the film you use. At the end of the video, I'm gonna show you some photos I've taken with this camera.